Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the lenses. So there's 3 lenses that we need to prep: the headlights, fog lights, and the light in the middle of the grille here. So to prep them, all you need to do is just apply Slip Solution on each light. And with a clean microfiber towel, just start removing any contaminants that the lenses may have. So to start with the installation, all we need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the headlight lens and Slip Solution to the tint film. And just place the film to the headlight, and you want to start by aligning this section of the tint to this edge of the headlight. So align it right on the edge there. Once you have it aligned on the edge, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure it stays aligned, and with your squeegee, start tacking this section of the film down. You want to anchor this piece. That way, once this section is secured, we're able to stretch the film and this section of the tint doesn't move. So we need to secure this before continuing on with the rest of the install. And make sure you remove all the solution that's behind the film. Okay, now that this section is secured, now we can move on with the rest of the install. So all we need to do is just stretch the film to this edge first. So stretch it, make sure it's aligned, apply Tack Solution, and start securing the film. Okay, and now that we secured here, all we need to do now is just finish the rest of the install. So this section of the film is not aligned yet to the edge of the headlight here. So all we need to do is just lift the film, apply Slip Solution, and just stretch the film to reach to this edge and this section to this edge here. So it's just aligning, stretching, and aligning until you reach it to the edge. And once you have it there, lift the film carefully, grab your Tack Solution and apply it underneath and on top of the film. So make sure it stays aligned, hold it in position and tack it down. You may come across small fingers around this area of the headlight. These small fingers will be removed when we apply heat and Tack Solution and just break them down little by little. But right now we just need to secure the film, that way it doesn't shift. So now we need to remove these fingers, and to remove the fingers, apply Tack Solution on the film, apply heat to break down the fingers, and we're going to wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee. That way we're able to remove any solution and also tack down the film at the same time. Okay, so for the second piece, which covers this part of the lens, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is just apply Slip Solution on the lens and on the tint film. And all you need to do is just make sure you align it to this section of the lens first. So right on the edge, place it down. And you could either stretch it or leave it as is, because it covers all the clear part of the panel here. So align it here first, and then make sure it reaches here and it covers everything. And all we need to do is just apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and then slowly start tacking it down little by little. Since it is a small piece, it will move a little bit when you tack down. So just make sure you hold it in place as you're tacking down. And just to secure the film, you can apply heat. So just apply heat all around the film. And that's pretty much it. And now we can move on with installing the last pieces, which is for the fog light. So when it comes to the pieces of the fog light, when you receive them, you're just going to grab, pick, and place them to their corresponding lens. So all you need to do is apply Tack Solution. That way the film tacks down more faster. So apply Tack Solution, on the lens and on the film, and just place it and move it around and just align it. Because there is a small gap in between the panel and the fog light, you can move around and align it to the lens. So it should be like that. If you're having trouble moving the film around, you can also apply slip solution. So let's say this film right here, by applying slip solution, you're able to move the film more freely. So like that, and just place it and align it. And you just rinse and repeat until you're done with the whole process. Just make sure you tack them down afterwards and you should be good. And now just apply tack solution on top of the lenses and apply a little bit of heat on each one just to help the adhesive on the film activate faster, and just make sure you remove all the solution behind the film. Okay, and now we can move on to post heating the whole entire kit. So the last thing to do once you finish installing all the pieces on the front end of the vehicle is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, all you need to do is just apply tack solution all over the lenses that you just installed. And we're just going to apply heat all over the film. And we're going to use our microfiber towel to help remove any solution that's still behind the film, and also helping us tack down the film as we're passing by. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.